I remember what it is now. I had gotten caught by my parole officer with a Wizinator. And it was the height of COVID. He was upset. And then I went into the casino here and tased somebody with a taser and got caught with a taser. And that cop had told me, you better go down there and be at your parole officer in the morning. I'm going to call him. And he was. And he did call him. And so part of my punishment was I had 90 days community service. I had to be there in the mornings. And I'd show up in the morning and I'd take people's trash out. And I'd go through the offices picking up stuff. And I was higher than hell. But they had a little square deal in the Hot Springs parole officer. It made like a little square. And you could go down one end and there was a restroom there. And then you could turn the corner and make the other part of the square and there was a restroom there. And I was so high and paranoid, right? That by the time I carried the mopper, I did a little mopper and I picked up a trash can, I'd have to hit that first bathroom and go in there and wipe the sweat off my face. Now, all the parole officers are there, right? And so I'd come out real quick, go back down the hallway, another 30, 45 seconds, minute, baby. Catch that other bathroom, go in there, wipe the sweat off my face. Paranoid. And thinking that was fun. There's a saying that says, you never know how poor you are, or that you were poor, until you got around somebody that was rich. I didn't know just how jacked up I was until I realized I looked like Dale Earnhardt doing the square racetrack, wiping my face with rags, wiping the sweat off of me while I was around the people that could put me back in prison Monday through Friday mornings for months. Eventually, I got a 90-day PV. It canceled all that, and I just went straight back to jail, right? My point is, you know, I thought because I couldn't shoot up, I wasn't getting high no more. And there I was, thinking it was cool to do laps around the parole office and try to avoid being detected with sweating. And that parole officer would look me square in the eyes and say, I'm going to drug test you in a week. You better pass. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Who does that? Not anybody that's got a clear head or a sane mind. Only someone strung out on drugs would consider that stupid shit fun. And there I was. The gospel. Fluent English.